Welcome to RouteLAB-Academy. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to decrypt Type7 password in Route itself. So as we all know that we have a concept called keychains, keychain concept, where we are going to use to authenticate the routing protocols, right? Okay, so by using this keychain concept, we are going to decrypt this Type7 password in Route itself. If you come across the scenario where, so in your production network, since long there is one device running, and if you want to log on to that device, you don't know the admin password what they have configured. So in that case, this concept, we can decrypt the password what we have configured previously. So let me show you how we are going to do that. So here in this router, I don't have any kind of configurations as of now. So it is a simple plain device. So now here I'm going to configure some username, local username and passwords. So let's say username RouteLab and pass RouteLab. Okay. So once you configure this, if you give the command show section username, now you can able to see the password what we have created in a clear text, so with the privilege of zero password encryption. So in a legacy method, in order to encrypt this password, we are going to run some command called service password encryption. So once you give this command service password encryption, automatically whatever the password we have configured here, it is going to encrypt by using a Type7. So in order to see that, you can use a command show run section username. Once you give this command, see here, it was encrypted, password got encrypted by using here Type7. So now the concept, we need to decrypt this Type7 password to see the password what we have configured in a clear text, right? So in order to do that, we need to use concept called keychains, as I said. So here I'll say keychain and any number you can use, and key value we need to decide, and here key string. In this place of key string from 7, you need to copy all this and just paste it over there. Done. Once you're done with this, you can give the command show keychain. Now you can able to see the password what we have configured. So this is the way you can decrypt Type7 password in Route itself. Thank you.